Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete all disliked videos on YouTube you have ever disliked on iPhone. For example, if you have too many disliked videos and you want to delete all of them from YouTube all at once, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply restart your Wi-Fi router. And the next thing you have to do is you have to search YouTube on App Store, and you have to make sure that it is not showing any kind of update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to update the YouTube app. And after updating, you have to simply open the YouTube app, and here you will find the option of like videos. But if you want dislike videos, then you will not find it here. So if you want to delete dislike videos, so you have to simply go to the settings if you want to find it. So here you have to simply click on that settings icon, and after that you have to click on manage all history, and here you will find the option of all the history. So you will find the option of interaction, and here you will find video likes and dislikes. So here you will find the option of dislike videos and like videos all at once. So if you want to delete, then there is only option that you can simply delete all one by one. But if you want to delete all of them all at once, then you can simply go back, and here you have to click on interaction, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of view other activity, and here you have to click on YouTube history, and you have to click on manage history, and after that you have to wait for some time, and here you have to again click on interactions, and after that you will find the option of video likes and dislikes. Now if you want to delete all of them all at once, then you have to simply click on three dots here, and after that you have to click on delete all, and here you will find the option of delete your likes and dislikes on YouTube videos activity from all time, which means it is deleting all of your likes and dislike videos all at once. So if you select delete, then all of your dislike videos, like videos will be deleted from here. But if you have too many videos, then you have to wait for some time so that your all videos will be deleted from here. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.